Cholera is an infectious disease that causes severe watery diarrhea, which can lead to dehydration and even death untreated. It is caused by eating food or drinking water contaminated with a bacterium called Vibrio cholerae. The disease is more common in places with poor sedimentation, crowding, water and fines. Known locations include parts of Africa, South Asia, and Latin America. If you are traveling to one of those areas, knowing the following cholera facts can help protect you and your family. Cholera causes. Vibrio cholera, the bacterium that causes cholera, is usually found in food or water contaminated by fish, from and person with the infection. Common sources include municipal water supplies, ice made from municipal water, food and drink sold by street vendors, vegetables grown with water containing human wastes, raw and undercooked fish and seafood caught in water polluted by sewage. When a person consumes the contaminated food or water, the bacteria release a toxin in the intestines that produce severe diarrhea. Cholera symptoms. Symptoms of cholera can begin as soon as a few hours or as long as 5 days after an infection. Often symptoms are mild, but sometimes they are very serious. About 1 in 20 people infected have severe watery diarrhea accompanied by vomit, which can quickly lead to dehydration. Although many infected people may have minimal or no symptoms, they can still contribute to the spread of the infections. Cholera treatment and prevention. Preparing food or drinks, making ice, brushing your teeth, washing your face and hands, washing dishes and utensils that you use to eat or prepare food, washing fruits and vegetables. Hydration, the mainstay of treatments for cholera. Thank you.